Carlos Ramirez, owner of Nvs Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So we just finished up a brand new Road Glide ST CVO. So client wanted a simple 2-speaker package. He wanted the most mid-bass possible out of 2 speakers and great overall surround sound. So we chose to go with the Cicada CMX 6.5 carbon fiber, full weatherproof. I really like these speakers. And Cicada's MO75 horn tweeter. Cicada just came out with the grills for the 23.5 and up Street Glide and Road Glide. Anybody that's tried to put grills on the new bikes, your only option before, if you got a base model bike that came with the plastic grills, was to go to the dealer and spend over $100 on the CVO style grills that come on the CVO. Some dealerships give you a hard time if you don't have a CVO VIN number. They won't let you order the part. I just give clients the VIN number off my CVO. That way they can order the grills. The dealer's always on back order. So Cicada did a really good job. We've tried grills from every single brand out there. We've tried the TMC grills. We tried every single grill out there. None of them fit good. So what Cicada took their time building these grills. They made them really, really strong. So even on the factory grills, if you put pressure or remove grill the wrong way, you break the 2 little feet off on the bottom. Cicada did a really good job designing these grills. The metal's thicker, and then the part on the bottom, they designed it with a little rubber strip. So you actually have to put pressure down before you can clip the grill in, and it holds the grill in really strong. We had issues with the aftermarket grills popping off on the highway. I guarantee you these will not. Hats off, Cicada did a great job with this. They offer the OEM grill with no tweeter hole in it, and then they offer the grill with the tweeter hole in it. So this fits the Cicada tweeter, it fits the DS18 tweeter, it fits the Diamond Audio tweeter. But obviously we use Cicada tweeter with the Cicada grill and the Cicada mid-bass. We did Nav TV Zen module on this one, Nvs Audio AK2 wiring kit, and we did the Cicada 1400p FLX DSP amplifier. Bike sounds phenomenal, great sounding 2-speaker bike. We're happy, the client's happy. Fit and finish was beautiful, but I'm really excited about these grills. We ordered a bunch of them, we have a bunch of them in stock, and they work really, really, really good. Great job, Cicada. Check out how the bike sounds.
I am reincarnated. I was stargazing. Life goes on. I need her, my babies. Woke up looking for the broccoli. I keep a horn on me. That could my seat. IP ownership. The blueprint is by me. Mr. Get Off. I get off at my feet. A yeet nigga couldn't try me in a tri-state. Buddy pass, but I get him splashed till he hydrated. Out south, no he spook town, eyes dilated. They ain't gon' beat him up. Falling from the money tree, and it grow throughout the month. Spit a loogie at the camera, speed off, yes. I feel good, get the fuck out my thighs. Look good, but she don't got no ties. I walked in, walked out with the size. Man, don't let me know what the past. Squabble up, squabble up, squabble.